Hi, Pop Tom here. Uh, just want to run this short video on Elon Musk visiting the Mexican-U.S. border. It's an important topic, I feel, so I'm sharing it. I apologize for the quality. I just came in from working out in the garage, and I'm just learning some different software, so the quality isn't the best, but I think the content is important. Anyway, please watch the video clear through, comment, subscribe, and like, please. Thank you, and have a great day, and God.
So I'll just start off by saying I'm like, uh, obviously Elon here. I'm at Eagle Pass, just arrived, and we're just gonna go around and talk to um, the major officials and law enforcement.
I don't know how many of you have seen this video. I'm going to share with you, but it's demonstrating how bad it's getting down there in Texas and the Mexican border. So bad that even Elon Musk is going down there to prove that it's worse than what regular media is showing. So I just wanted to share this with you and get your thoughts. Let me know what you think.
And whatnot that are here and just kind of eyeball the situation, get a sense for what's going on, and so you can get the kind of like the real story. Hey guys, how's it going?
This is the shot right here.
Okay, this is.
Look at this. These people. You see how orderly it is?
Yeah, I mean it's it's very orderly. So
it's like an orderly, chaotic, unruly event that's happening.
Okay.
And it's wrong. It's wrong for everybody involved.
Sure.
And we're not talking one or two people. We're talking thousands of people every day.
Thousands of people every day. Yeah. All right. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna end the live stream now.
So if you don't think there's a problem down there, I would encourage you guys to do some research, do some searching. Regular media is not sharing all this. Um, this one site here, just in one location, they say that they're doing over 2,000 people a day coming across this point of the border. That's just one place, um, and there's many across the U.S. Mexican border. For you Canadians that don't think this is important, a lot of these are ending up here in Canada as well. Um, and the sad part is the federal governments think it's okay to support and pay for these guys and gals and ladies. And yes, we need to help the kids, but yet we're letting our own starve, go without heat, um, go without health care, and that's wrong. Some of these people are getting paid free health care. They're getting paid so much a month. Another thing is, I was just watching a long video about the drugs and how the drugs are increasing, and even clear up into Kentucky, and I'm sure everywhere. This video was in Kentucky. They actually linked it to the cartel in Mexico, bringing the fentanyl and all that kind of stuff in. So this has got to stop. It's affecting the U.S. and Canada, um, and it's just ridiculous. Anyway, I just wanted to share the short video on this, and hope you all have a great day and take care of yourself, and God bless. Remember to like and subscribe.